Good morning, students. Today we will start exercise number 7. The first question is, in a class test containing 15 questions, 4 marks are given for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer. Bharati attempts all questions but only 9 answers are correct. What is her total score? Okay, so it is one question. First, we have to read the question and given we have to write it. So, marks awarded for one correct answer. For one correct answer, how many marks will be awarded? What is given here? 4 marks. For one correct answer, 4 marks will be awarded. Okay. So Bharati, what she done is, Bharati attempted 9 correct answers. 9 correct answers. Okay. Marks scored for 9 correct answers. 9 correct answers. So, for 1 correct answer, 4 marks. For 2 correct answers, 2 into 4 marks. For 3 correct answers, 3 into 4 marks. Like that, for 9 correct answers, 9 into 4. 9 fours are how much here? 36 marks. Okay. Now, still you should read the question. What he said is, total questions in the exam are 15. For every incorrect answer, 2 marks will be subtracted. So, marks scored for one incorrect answer. Incorrect answer. For one incorrect answer, minus 2 marks. Minus 2 means you have to do subtraction. Okay, plus means you have to do addition. Minus means 2 marks, they will lose. If for one correct answer, 4 marks will come. For one incorrect answer, 2 marks will be lost. Okay. So total 15 questions. Out of 15, 9 are correct means how many will be wrong? See, total questions are 15. 9 correct. Means remaining what? Remaining are wrong answers. Because she attempted all questions. Bharati attempted all questions. Means all questions attempted. Unattempted not there. All questions attempted. So, incorrect answers for Bharati. Incorrect answers for Bharati. So total is 15. 9 are correct. 15 minus 9 means how many? 6. 6 questions are incorrect questions. 6. Okay. So for one incorrect answer, 2 marks will be lost. Okay. Marks should be subtracted. For 6 incorrect answers. For one incorrect answer, 2 marks should be subtracted. For 2 incorrect answers, 2 into minus 2 marks. For 3 incorrect answers, 3 into minus 2. Like that. For 6 incorrect answers, 6 into minus 2 marks will go. That is 6 into minus 2 is how much here? Minus 12 marks. 12 marks should be subtracted. Now, total marks scored. Total marks scored by Bharati is equals to For correct answers 36 marks she scored, but for 6 incorrect minus 12, 12 marks should be subtracted. 6 minus 2 is 4, 3 minus 1 is 2. So out of 15, if she done 9 correct and 6 wrong, then she scored total marks how many? 24. Okay, like this only you do for next question. In this only they given one of her friends Hema attempts only 5 questions and all are correct. 5 questions attempted, all are correct. What will be her total score? So one of her friends, Hema, attempts only 5 questions and all are correct. So for wrong answer, minus 2 marks you had to subtract or not? So here she did not keep any wrong answer, unattempted. For unattempted, minus marks won't be there. So how much she will get means 5 into 4. 5 4 is how much here? 20. She done 9 correct. 36 marks has to come. But she kept 6 wrong answers. For 6 wrong answers, 6 into minus 2. That is 12 marks were subtracted from 36. For this girl, what she done is, whatever correct she done, that's it. Wrong answer she did not do. So she got minus 10 marks. Okay. Now, 5 4 is 20 marks she will get it. What will be her total score? You do it. Next we'll go for second problem. Reading the problem is very important. You have to read the problem, you should understand, and you should listen the class perfectly. You should try. Do 2 to 3 times problem, then you will understand. So second question I will read once. A cement company earns a profit of rupees 9 per bag of white cement sold and a loss of 5 rupees per bag of grey cement sold. So already you know we have 2 types of cements. One is grey color, the other is white color. White color cement bag, grey color cement bag. For grey color cement bag, if he sold, he will get 5 rupees loss. For white cement, if he sold, he is getting 9 rupees profit. Okay. Profit on, second question. Profit on selling a white cement bag. White cement bag. One white cement bag, if he sold, how much profit he will get it? 9 rupees profit he will get it. Okay. So first question, if you see, he said the company sells 7,000 bags of white cement. So profit on 7,000 white bags. If he sold white bags, how many? 7,000. For one white cement bag, 9 rupees profit. For 2 means 2 into 9. For 3 means 3 into 9. 10 means 10 into 9. 7,000 means 7,000 into 9. 7 9s are 63. 63,000 rupees profit he will gain by selling white cement bags. Okay. Now we will go for grey color. So loss on, we will get loss on selling a grey color cement bag or grey cement bag. One grey color cement bag if he sold, how much loss he will get is 5 rupees loss he will get. Like that. How many bags he sold? Grey color one, 6,000. Loss on 6,000 grey cement bags. So how many cement bags is sold? Grey color one is 6,000. For one bag, 1 into 5 rupees loss. For two bags, 2 into 5 rupees loss. For three bags, 3 into 5. Like that, 6,000 bags. 6,000 into 5 means 30,000 loss will come. It is loss. It is profit. Loss means already you know it. See, you purchased a pen for 10 rupees. You sold the same pen. If you purchase a pen for 12 rupees, you sold for 15 rupees. Means it is cost price. It is selling price. Selling price is more means you will get profit. Your cost price is 12 rupees. You purchased a pen for 12 rupees and you are selling for 10 rupees. Then what you will get? You will get a loss. Okay. So loss and profit. See, understand? Now, what he is asking, first question, the company, what is its profit or loss? So 30,000 is here loss. Profit is 63,000. So profit is more or loss is more here? 63,000 is more or 30,000 is more? 60,000. So he will get profit only. So here 63,000 minus 30,000. Why I kept minus here? Because by selling grey color cement bags, he got loss. Loss means he had to do subtraction. Where he got profit here 63,000. From that 30,000 he had to subtract it. How much you will get it? 33,000 rupees. So this is the total profit of that company. If you sell white bags 7,000 and grey bags 6,000, total profit what you will get is 33,000. Same like one more sum is there, you do it, and next we will go for third problem. So what is third problem, we will see here. Just this timings. The temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees centigrade above 0. Here see, I will write scale here. If I keep here 0 degree centigrade, so this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like this. Okay, if you increase 2 to how much it will become? So say here 0 after we will keep 2 here. Okay, 2 degrees plus 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Now come down. -2, -4, -6, -8, -10, -12. So above 0, below 0. Below 0 means you will have negative symbols and above 0 means you will have positive symbols. Okay. For understanding purpose only I wrote like that. Okay. Now we will read the problem. The temperature at 12 noon. So here it is a clock. So 12 here. Here it is 6. And it is 3. This is 9. Now here 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. Okay, it is just a watch. We assume that it is a watch. Then 12 noon means here it is center, hours hand, minutes hand. It is 12 noon. Noon means afternoon. Was 10 degrees above 0. at 12 noon, 0 degrees above at 10 degrees sun. Means this much temperature is there. Now what happened is, if it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees centigrade per hour, for 1 hour it decreases 2 degrees. For 1 hour it decreases 2 degrees per hour until midnight. Until midnight. Midnight means how much here? Last 12 degrees centigrade is midnight. Okay. At what time would the temperature be 8 degrees centigrade below 0? See here, below 0, 8 degrees. Below 0, 8 degrees is here. So here, this time, 10 degrees time is 12 noon. Okay, for every 1 hour, 2 degrees decreases there here. I want at below 0, 8 degrees centigrade. Here, how much time will be there? At which time it gets 8 degrees centigrade. For this problem, what you have to do, just imagine. Here 10 is there, here 0 is there. Here to here, how many hours are there here? See. Here to here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 hours. Because decreases 2 degrees centigrade or not. For every 1 hour, 2 degrees centigrade. So to get 0, 5 hours time you have to take it. And again you should reach 8 degrees centigrade here. Below 0, 8 degrees. Means here to here 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. So total time is how much here? 9 hours. So a person, see, the temperature has to go from 10 degrees centigrade to minus 8 degrees centigrade, means it has to cross 9 hours. It has to cross 9 hours. How you will get means 10 degrees centigrade minus of minus. So you won't get like that. You should count. Okay, here to here 5 hours, here to here 6 hours. If you write like this also will come or not, we'll see 10 degrees minus of minus 8 degrees. So 10 degrees centigrade plus 8 degrees centigrade. So you are getting 18 degrees centigrade. But this you have to divide with 2. Why you have to divide with 2 here? Why you have to divide with 2 means for every 2 degrees centigrade decrease, 1 hour, in 1 hour 2 degrees centigrade decrease will be there. So this I divided with 2. So 9 hours. So you can do like this. Next one is, in this only, what you have here, what would be the temperature at midnight? Midnight means exactly 12, night 12 o'clock. So here 10 is there, 12 is there. So what you have to do is 10 minus of minus 12. 10 plus 12. Okay. 10 plus 12. So this is the hours. We'll count here. 12. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. For every 1 hour, what happens? Decrease will be there. From 12 noon to 12. Midnight means here 12 o'clock. 12 to 12, how many hours will be there here means? 12 hours will be there. Okay. So in this 12 hours, 0 is there. See, don't write 12 to the 24. You should not write. Already here 10 degrees centigrade is there here. So what you have to do is, you have to count, and how much you are getting? Minus 16 degrees centigrade will be there. Means at midnight, minus 12 below 2 degrees means minus 14 will come. Every 2 degrees centigrade only. 10, 12, 14. So at midnight 14 degrees centigrade, minus 14 will be there. Okay. So remaining we'll see in the next class. Thank you.